So this is a story about two baddies meeting, Dana Coop and Beginning Boutique. So let's do a try on haul, baddies. I'm so excited to try on these pieces for you guys because I already have tried them on and they look really good, so get ready, okay? First up, we have these gorgeous brown pants. I'm so obsessed with them. On both sides, they have flower cutouts that are see-through. I mean, come on, that little detail changes the game. It just goes all the way straight down. So pretty. And when I wore these, I paired them with this beautiful yellow top. Here she is. I don't own a top like this, and I don't know why. I never have, because I need this in every single color. The way it sits is so pretty. I love the sleeves, and the ruching on the side is super flattering. These colors together are everything and more, so let me try it on for you. Here's the full outfit put on together. I'm so obsessed with it. I really can't get over how much I love these pants specifically. I never thought I could wear something like this that would fit me so well, but here I am. I love this so much, I don't even want to take it off.